Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change year-end on QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. And you are all set. Okay, so changing the year-end date in QuickBooks Online can be necessary for a lot of reasons, especially to align your financial reporting with your business operations or accounting practices. Now, your business may operate in a fiscal year that differs from the standard year. Now, for us to be able to do that, all you have to do is just go in the upper right corner of your account. Did you see the cog icon settings? And click on account and settings, right? Now, once you are here, all you have to do is hover down to the advanced option in the left side panel. And once you're there, all you have to do you see the first month of financial year option and the first month of tax year? Because I've said earlier, if your business operates in a fiscal year that differs from the standard calendar year, like January 1st to December 31st, changing the year-end allows you to align your financial reporting within your fiscal year. It provides a more accurate representation of your business's financial performance, and of course, your business may need to adjust its accounting period to better reflect its revenue and expense cycles. Now, you can change it from January. Say, if it's gonna be December 31st, you need to change it to January. Now, if it's January 31st, that's going to be heading to February. All right. Now, just don't have to do something about the financial year. Just leave it like that. Also, with the accounting method, leave it as it is because you have two options here. It's accrual or cash. All right. Now, we also have a separate video in our channel on how to close the books in a year end. You might want to check on that. Now, let me tell you that if your business undergoes restructuring such as change in ownership, merger, or acquisition, you may need to change the year-end date right here to reflect the new reporting requirements or financial structure of the business. But be mindful, changing the year date here or year-end date can help ensure that your financial reporting will reflect your business operations and compliance with the requirements and reporting needs. And once you're happy and decided on that, click on save. Now, in such a situation that you are having problems with the changing the year end here, I suggest you need to go to the QuickBooks support. Simply, you can choose the account and can follow the on-screen instructions. Or if you're comfortable speaking to a live agent, you might want to call these numbers: 1-800-2064-1981, and these are the schedule or time that they are available for you to reach out and tell them your situation, that you are having problems changing the year end on your QuickBooks Online account. Remember that changing the year end allows you to tailor your financial reporting to meet these management needs effectively. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.